Hello everyone, so this is a quick breakdown of this grass shading. So for that I basically used a geometry here which is from grassworld.com, I believe, which is a marketplace for sort of grass like Megascan, but not free and with high quality mesh, but terrible maps, as you can see here. So the diffuse is actually quite correct, but the you don't have any roughness map, and the specular map is just the normal with some sort of thickness on it, some sort of some sharpness on it. Sorry. So my point is that I have a full geometry mesh. I just applied a standard surface on it. The first thing you need to do is to scroll down to subsurface, and even down you have the thin wallet option that will create this kind of transparency, and not using the default random walk properties, subsurface property, sorry. So yeah, when you disable this, you can see that since this is not like skin, you do not have uh, thickness on your objects. You have no extrude, you have nothing, you have just one plane, so one normal side. It cannot just works well with random walk, so you need to do as a trick with a translucency. So once you have that, the first thing to do is to import your base color here. Okay, so sRGB, nothing crazy here. So you just plug into the color and you select color correct, and you put some exposure onto your value here a bit lighter, so it's create the subsurface color. Okay, so you just plug it in it, and you can see that I have also my subsurface value that you can just tweak, right? So too much is maybe not the ideal thing, but on my reference here, this is really like not like this, but more sort of 0.4 or something. So yeah, this is about that. So since you clicked on thin walled, the scale and radius doesn't work anymore. Okay, so for the specular, I just use spec, invert, create a range. Okay, let's put this 665, right? And this is basically it. You have your shader. Nothing crazy here. It just works well. You just set up your roughness. So my roughness is a bit low. I could maybe crank it up a little bit, so you don't have too much of specular here. But anyway, so this is a really quick breakdown of this project. Feel free to ask me any questions or comments, anything that can be helpful. I will link the Arnold documentation in the description. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye.